Hurricane Laura is the most powerful hurricane to have hit the United States in the last 150 years, and it affected every single building in all of Southwest Louisiana.
This tree here, the Sallier Oak, it's exactly like our community and members of our community. Just like the people of Lake Charles, it's still here and it still continues to thrive. And I think the future is very bright for Lake Charles.
The people of Southwest Louisiana are just made of pure grit. People were helping complete strangers indiscriminately, tarping their neighbors' homes, helping any way they can, giving out free food, drinks. It was strangers helping strangers and neighbors helping neighbors. It was just amazing to really see what we're capable of.
Initially it's shocking, but then you say, okay, well, how are we going to get through this? When I see this, I don't see a bunch of wood and broken bricks. I see a rooftop patio bar. I see people at tables eating and enjoying the music. The only thing you can do is just keep going forward. You can't, there is no backwards.
2 back-to-back storms. A lot of places I think would have closed. I mean, this place we opened back up as soon as we could. I mean, you could throw a lot of stuff at us and we're always gonna bounce back. I mean, because we love our home, and so we're gonna do whatever we can to make it last.
We are a resilient people. We have grit in our veins, and it's just in our DNA to never give up. We are going to emerge from this as a stronger community, and we're going to emerge from this as a place that people want to come visit.
Through all of this chaotic experience, instead of everybody in Lake Charles saying, oh, poor me, we were standing up and saying, I got you. We are strong, we're resilient, and we're going to come back Lake Charles strong.
We are Louisiana's playground, and we're looking forward to welcoming people back, and I'm looking forward to getting back to doing the things that Lake Charles has to offer.